frog?
That looked like a snake. This looked like a snake.
No, that?
It was coming out from under the grass like that.
And it looked like a snake.
A spotted snake coming out to get me.
How do I get that?
Here you go. That was pretty good though. We got the froggy. Froggy's off the checklist. Flying bottle.
And then it's just a regular bottle.
What we got here is a hybrid between a wolf spider and a tarantula. Alright? These things can fly up to 40 miles an hour. If you're not careful, they can crack a windshield. But that's enough said about that. Let's get on down to the creek, boys and girls. Shh. We have to cross this little ditch here. There's our vine from the other video. We're just gonna grab it, swing on across like Indiana Jones. Think I can make that? Probably isn't good enough. Are you sure about this?
Woo! I made it! I'm alive! My hands! Ow!
And hit the like button if you want me to start selling GoPro hats. Well, there wasn't nothing over here, so I'm gonna come back on that side. I feel like I can't. Oh yeah, I can cross here. Made it. Y'all ain't even gonna believe it. Beep. Retake. Y'all ain't even gonna believe what y'all just discovered. I mean, y'all just watch this. Y'all check this out. Right here, we just discovered a new type of snake. This is gonna be called, leave a comment. Ah, he bit me. He bit me. I wonder if it's poisonous. He's getting away, not on my watch. There he is. He's a really slimy booger. There he is, guys. The snake. As you can see, he's trying to go this way. So that's his head. Don't know what kind of snake he is, but he's a slimy one. And we just invented him, yep. Let's keep going, see what else we can find. Guys, I don't believe it, but right here in our very own creek, there's a giant alligator. He's at least 15 foot. I don't know, we're gonna try and throw a stick at him and see. Let's get this stick right here. There we go, you ready for this? Almost hit him. He didn't swim away, he must not be scared. Freeze. Alright guys, we didn't know it at the time until we reviewed the footage, but there's actually a little stink bug. Little stink bug sitting on this alligator. I'm afraid that the alligator's being mind controlled by the stick bug. I hope the alligator is safe. I don't know, kind of like a hostage situation. But we gotta get going, so we'll get out of here. Shh, we don't want that car to see us. Anyway, we was walking down the creek, you know. There's this giant moon hanging here. It's huge, absolutely ginormous, alright? That could kill somebody. That could land on you and split your skull in half. So we're just gonna go on under it, get on by it so it doesn't fall on us. You guys coming? Now it was raining this morning, so that explains why all the wildlife ain't out. But we're gonna find something by the end of the day. Alright everybody, just discovered. This is the dead lizard plant. It's crazy. Apparently, I bet you this lizard come over here, took a bite out of this plant and was poisoned within, well, that's like 100 steps for a lizard, but that's pretty darn close. That's within a foot. It must be a very poisonous plant. Let's see if it bites. It bit it. Did you see that? It bit it. Play that back in slow motion. See what its stem looks like. Very green and purple like. If you know what this is, leave a comment. And hit that subscribe button, guys. Smash it. Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button for more plant and animal discoveries. Rest in peace, Larry. We're gonna miss you. That's a funky plant. All right. Whoa, dude, look at this. Crazy stuff right there, very jiggly. You could grind that up for Jello. That's a new discovery also. We're gonna name it, I don't know yet. I'll think about it. We're gonna name it the Dalton Outdoors Fungus. D-O for short. D-O-F. This is the DOF. Dalton Outdoors Fungus. Don't eat it. It's highly nutritious. It's some animal drowning in the creek, it doesn't matter. But back to the fungus. There it is. Alright, let's move on. Alright, so what we have here, see the backbone? It's a dead Scagliosaurus. Very rare in these parts. They're kind of like a deer with an elephant trunk and a lion's rear end. They can purr like a cow too. Super dangerous, glad it's dead. They're still poisonous though. If they don't get close, they could still bite you, even though it's just the spine. It could still bite you, okay? So be careful if you ever see a Scagliosaurus spine. It's a Scagliosaurus footprint. Let's go over there.
There's nothing over here.
Exactly. All the birds just flew away. Why is there someone always shooting? Round up. I wish we could get some underwater footage of a duck. And then there's Krusty. Alright, this has nothing to do with our video right now, but it's an experiment we gotta try, so we're gonna just send it, see what happens. GoPro on a pole. Alright, here we go. First test number one, we're gonna try right here by this culvert pipe, you know, that's where fish like to hang out. Oh, there goes a fish take off right there. We had the waterproof lens on there, right? Yeah, we're good. I feel like I need a longer stick. Freeze! Right here you can actually see a spot where there's a little fish swimming right here. It's a bass. You can see the tail and a little bit of the back swimming away. That's the only fish we got on camera with our stick pole. But, did I just call it a stick pole? I mean our, what do we call it? A fish pole? Our fish quarter. Fish stick. I like fish stick. We're going to call it the fish stick. That's the only fish we actually caught on the fish stick. Maybe one day when the water gets more clear, we could, get a little more fishiness going on. So. Quack, quack, quack. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. We're going to get a little more fishy footage and throw that in the video somewhere, probably towards the end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and till next time, we'll catch y'all on the flip side.